Hey folks, we're back for another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this Simmons queen size mattress. It's a foam mattress. I don't know, you might have seen this before. I've never seen a queen size mattress come in a box that's this small, but we're going to discover this ourselves, okay, together. So I've got myself some scissors and a knife here. Don't know what it's going to take to open this thing up. So we received this box in the mail. Cutting through that tape right now. So we're going to get the same sort of unboxing experience. Be careful here, not cut anything. Alright, so that's open. And if we look inside here, it looks like there's something wrapped up inside of this foam. It's plastic. Okay, so this is a whole tag here. It says thank you for picking us. Now that you've found the perfect mattress, let us review and let us know if you have any questions. Alright, so it looks interesting. Alright, so I'm going to get this out of here. Flip the box over and take this out. It's got some weight to it. Let's see if you struggle with a box here. Break the light here. Alright, so we got this out of the box. It's a big plastic roll here. And there's some instructions here. So let's take a look at these instructions. So it looks like it's got like a cutter in here. So maybe they want it to be safe and not accidentally cut this thing. This mattress cloth. So it says, "Honey, we're home. What do you call someone with an awesome mattress? You. Thanks for picking us. Now let's get this new BFF set up so you can go and have funsies. Step 1. Unpack. Lay the box on its side and remove your mattress." Well, that would have been good to know before I opened this box. So this was actually at the bottom of the box, so I don't know how I would have gotten this out. It's in a bag, and that's a good thing. Now put the bag containing the mattress on your platform foundation or a solid surface bed frame. Roll it out. Using the opener in the package, which is this, cut open the bag and remove your mattress. But carefully you don't cut the cover. Now gently unfold your mattress and give it time to expand to its real shape. The edges might appear a bit crimped. Don't worry, it's totally normal. It'll sort itself out. And in step 3, you're done. So let's go ahead and lay this on this foundation that I have here. Put it in my pocket for a moment. And then we'll unroll this thing and let it expand. I don't know how long it's going to take to expand. Got some weight on this. And I got a bed skirt, so not worry about that too much. Alright, so when I get my slicer out of here, and I'm going to carefully unslice it. Need some work with this slicer because it's like one of those paper slicers that you get sometimes. Alright. So far, so good. Just carefully cutting through this plastic. Kind of like an edge here. Between the, where it's rolled up and maybe this is a safest spot to cut it, but it's still a lot of. I don't know how you do it without the cutter, actually. There's a serious amount of plastic on here. There, I'm almost to the end here. I get this big bunch of plastic. And let's then look at some frogs. I think we're at the end. Alright, there we go. Look at that. So it is unfolding one way. I wonder which way it goes. Looks like this is the... Turn this around. Wow. This platform, by the way, is a full-size platform. I'm going to go ahead and see what I need to do in a little bit. Get a new foundation because it's replacing a full-size thing. Alright. Jockey this into place. Get this plastic off. Little baby expand up. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice looking mattress. I've never owned a foam mattress before. You know, a foam mattress at home. Maybe a foam mattress for camping. And that's just a foam pad that you put underneath your feet. So this is an actual memory foam mattress. Put this plastic back in the box so we easy to dispose of. Alright, well here we are, our mattress. So let's just let this expand a little bit for a little time, and then I'll come back, put some bedding on it, actually do a night's sleep on here. I have a memory foam pillow, and I'll come back and let you know how this product feels. Feels like it could be, well, it's kind of soft, but we'll let it expand and then we'll see how it feels. All right, thanks a lot.